I'm Dr. Sahana, obstetrician and gynecologist from Bangalore. So I just finished the basic course in infertility from Milann Hospitals. So firstly, I would like to appreciate the academic calendar which the institution holds every month, and also the classes which are very well curated to include both theoretical and the practical aspects of the topics of infertility. Also along with this, we also got to see many interesting cases in the OPD, say from simple ovulation induction to IVF, complex IVF cycles, and consultants here being very warm-hearted have clarified all the doubts we had pertaining to the infertility cases. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this course to others who are longing to practice infertility in their career. And also, I am very glad to have been trained from this institute. Thank you.